My name is Dr. Simple, or you can call me Nelson. Today we'll be discussing about computer packages. Let's dive in. You might be asking yourself, what is Microsoft Office? Many of you have heard about Office, and absolutely you might not be having an idea of what Office might be. Today we are going to learn Office and all its applications and all its sub-branches and the benefits that it grants, the relevance of it in the real world, the way it's applied, and the way we can use it to our advantage. Let's dive in. To begin with, Microsoft Office, or simply Office, is a family of client software, server software, and services developed by Microsoft. Microsoft is the organization responsible for the development of Microsoft Office. It offers the access to the software of Microsoft. In Microsoft Office, it helps simplify basic Office tasks. Office tasks may include typing, databases, sending letters, mails. So we work with Microsoft Office to improve productivity. Each application is designed to address a specific task, such as word processing, data management, making presentation, and organizing emails. So with this in mind, let's go down and break down all the applications of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office has several applications. The main ones include Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. These are the mainly used, including Publisher. Then we have OneNote and Outlook. They are not to be regarded as not usable. There are some people who use them more, but they are not widely used in the real world. So let's dive in and discuss each and every application one by one. We'll start by Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. This is a graphical processing program that users can type with. Typing is the keying in of alphanumeric data from the keyboard. This is done by use of a keyboard and a relevant software like Microsoft Word. With this software, we can be able to draft letters, documents, PDFs, and any kind of document that we might require. Microsoft Office has all the necessary tools required in order to write, format, and edit documents to make them presentable. We'll dive into each of the packages or application of Microsoft Office one by one in our next videos. Please tune in. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the bell channel so that you can get notification each and every time I upload a new video to my channel. Thank you. In the next video, we'll discuss about Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet program is like a workbook for doing calculations in the real world. So Microsoft Excel offers presentable tables, values arranged in rows and columns that can be manipulated mathematically using both basic and complex arithmetic operation and functions. It offers the platform in which you can do operations in our computers. This is a very powerful tool to be used in financial calculations, business calculations, academic work, and all the relevant work that might require calculations. Program can work on multiple platforms like Windows for those who might be having Windows. Then we have Mac OS, then smartphones, then tablets. The next we'll go to Microsoft Publisher. This is an application more similar to Word, but is more specific on drafting newsletters, postcard flyers, invitation, brochures. This because it has built-in templates that are used to create these flyers or invitations in such a way that they appear in a very beautiful design, a design that cannot be easily achieved if you are using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Publisher is very relevant in designing all the newspapers or newsletters that are seen in everyday world. It applications have gone far and wide all over the countries internationally. People are using it both academically, financially, in the international realm, or in the basic or domestic activities. You can use Microsoft Publisher to do your own designs, design your certificates, flyers, and invitation to your friends for birthday parties or weddings, or many more things that may be require Microsoft Publisher to intervene so that you might be able to attract or look presentable in your work. Next, we discuss about Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system from Microsoft that combines the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tools. So you might be asking yourself, what is a database? A database is a storage location in which we store data. These are raw and processed facts. So Microsoft Access offers a platform in which you can store data, manipulate the data, and then in later you can use the data for all the requirements you might need. This is a very powerful tool that is used widely. Software developers, data architects, and power users can use Microsoft Access to develop application software. This because in each and every field, be it academic, educational, recreational, all of them require a database backend in which you can be able to store your data from the actual things that you are doing. This is a very powerful tool and should be embraced, and you will feel very good knowing that you have the knowledge of Microsoft Access. Please tune in into our next videos, which will be going step by step in each of the Microsoft applications packages. We'll break them down, we'll show you how to use each one of them in such a way that you become a pro in whatever you'll be doing. Then that marks the end. We have Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a tool used particularly to present data and information by using text. This shows slides like the ones I'm using right now. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint. Without Microsoft PowerPoint, I would not have been able to design slides that I'm using right now to guide you. You see the way it's presentable. You can teach students in tutorials, you can present your projects, you can present to other people which you are explaining something to them in such a way that you convey information rich in multimedia. As we go on, we'll deep dive in each and every application in such a way that you will be able to navigate all the Microsoft packages or applications without difficulty, so that you can be able to fully understand or fully apply all the applications that come with Microsoft PowerPoint. In our next videos, we'll be discussing how to install Microsoft Office in such a way that you might be able to install Microsoft Office in your own computers, that you might be able to use them, so that in our next videos, which will be discussing each and every application step by step, you can be able to follow and be guided on how we can do a thing by next in such a way that you learn and become a pro. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get this and more videos to come. Also remember to hit the bell icon so that you can be able to receive notifications as videos are being uploaded. Be the first one. Give us a thumbs up, comment, leave your comments below, or something that you might require. Any question, I will be glad to answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching.